Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make tiebacks using beads. I've got these pearly beads that we're gonna use today. I've got my crimps, I've got my pliers, 4 little rings that we're gonna use, and some jewelry wire. So that is what we're going to do today. We're going to make tiebacks for the curtains at the back. As you can see, they are open, but I want to tie them back with a nice tie back. So the first thing that we're gonna do is, I just got 2 little bowls. We're gonna put the beads in there so that it's easier to use them. This one is round little pearly, and this one looks like a little water drop. We're gonna combine the two and use them for our tiebacks. But first we're gonna do is we're gonna measure our wire. I'm just gonna close the curtain quickly. Because this is what you want to do. You want to take your tie back and bring it to here so that you tie your curtain away. So this is the length of our wire. And then we have to do double. We have to do 2 because there's 2 curtains that needs to be tied back. But we're gonna do the first one first. Gonna put your one ring at the end. At the one end and the other ring at the other end, because you want to use them both to put on the little nail. Use a little crimp to crimp it and keep it in place there. Your wire there in place. Before we start putting the beads in. Make sure you have both your wires through the crimp. And then you're just gonna crimp it. Before we do that, we have to actually measure the other one. Like that. Take the wire through, make a little loop. take it and then you just make a little loop like that. And then we're going to take another crimp and just crimp it quickly. Because if you take the wire double, it's stronger. They are so small, you have to pick them up carefully. Then you just take it to the end and you just crimp it. There we go. Fasten like that. So there's both our first little rings are now up. I'm just going to measure them. And cut them at the end all the same length. Just get my scissors quickly. As you can see, the one is a little bit longer, but we're just gonna cut them the same length. The end. So now we're gonna start by putting our beads in. Because the curtain is dark, I'm using a light bead. Just want to give the members a massive shout out. Thank you guys for the love and support. Thank you for being members. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. You guys don't know what it means to have friends as well as the memberships. It really means a lot to me. And then to all my subscribers, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the love and support. It means a lot. Without you guys' support and love, I don't think I would have continued with the channel, to be honest. Because that is what makes this channel, is you guys. And I really mean it. I truly mean it. I made a few good friends, yeah, on YouTube. and that means a lot to me. Yes, I know I haven't been active for a while, but as you guys know, personal reasons, personal life, real life comes first. But I am going to try and upload as much as I can within the time that I have to do it, between work and everything else that's going on. But thank you for still supporting the channel. Thank you for still being there. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you. I'm just measuring it. Let's measure it on the curtain itself quickly. Come on. Gonna hook it. Gonna bring the curtain over. It's long enough. This is long enough. Okay, we'll have to bring the crimp in first. In the ring. And then we're gonna push the wire again through the crimp. Now we need to push it down so that it's actually level with the beads, and then push the wire. Need to pull the wire through here. There we go. We've got it, we've got it, we've got it. Of course, you want it as close to the beads as possible before you crimp it. And there's our first tie back done. I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the excess wire through some of the beads, through the first 6 beads, and then we're going to cut it off. So you don't see it. Like that. And then just as close to the bead as possible. Cut the correct wire off. Okay, there's our first tie back done. Now we're just going to quickly do the second one. I could have actually done them simultaneously, but it's so much fun to do them separately. And then we're gonna just push the wire through the beads like we did with the first one. Okay, and there we have both our tiebacks now. Let me just take this out of the way. I will get little bins for those now, little containers. So there's our little tiebacks now, done. Now we are going to put them by the curtains. Here is our little fisher plug that I talked about that we're gonna hook the little rings on. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our first tieback, this one. You're gonna hook your one ring here, and you're gonna bring your curtain over. Take it from the back to the front, like that. And then you're gonna hook your other ring around, like that. And as you guys can see, there's our little tieback now. So I am just going to do quickly for the other side as well. And there is the other one, as you can see. So now both curtains have their tiebacks on. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!